Welcome back to the CR Auto channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting sports cars of the upcoming lineup, the 2026 Porsche 718 Cayman. This car has always been a driver's favorite for its sharp handling and balanced mid-engine setup, and Porsche has taken it to the next level with this new model. The design immediately catches your attention, with sleek lines that make it look both aggressive and elegant. The front fascia has been sharpened with slimmer LED headlights and larger air intakes that not only give it a more athletic stance, but also improve cooling and aerodynamics. The side profile remains true to the Cayman's iconic silhouette, with sculpted curves and a low, wide stance that screams performance. At the rear, the continuous light strip and updated diffuser highlight the modern styling while still keeping the classic Porsche DNA intact. It's a car that looks stunning from every angle and leaves no doubt about its racing inspiration. When it comes to performance, Porsche never disappoints, and the 2026 Cayman proves that again. Under the hood, buyers can expect a choice of turbocharged flat-4 engines, with outputs starting from around 300 horsepower, and for enthusiasts, there will likely be a GTS or even GT4 variant pushing the limits well beyond 400 horsepower. The mid-engine layout provides near-perfect weight distribution, giving the Cayman razor-sharp handling and precision through corners. Porsche's legendary PDK dual-clutch transmission delivers lightning-quick shifts, while a manual option remains available for purists who want a more connected driving feel. The acceleration is breathtaking, with the base model sprinting from 0 to 60 in just under 4.5 seconds, while the higher trims will easily push that number closer to the 3-second mark. Add to that Porsche's adaptive suspension and improved chassis tuning, and you have a sports car that blends everyday usability with track-level capability. Inside the 2026 Cayman, Porsche has refined the cabin to combine luxury with driver-focused ergonomics. The interior now features a larger curved infotainment display, integrated seamlessly into the dashboard, along with a fully digital driver's cluster that keeps all vital information right where you need it. High-quality materials like leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum give the cabin a premium feel, while the seats are supportive enough for spirited driving, yet comfortable for longer journeys. The center console layout is simplified with fewer physical buttons, making the cockpit cleaner and more intuitive. Connectivity is top-notch with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Porsche's latest driver assistance features to enhance safety and convenience. As for price, the 2026 Porsche 718 Cayman is expected to start around $75,000 for the base version, with higher performance variants like the GTS and GT4 climbing well above $100,000 depending on options. While it's certainly not the cheapest sport car on the market, it offers incredible value for those who want a pure driving machine that delivers both excitement and everyday practicality. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Porsche 718 Cayman. It's stylish, powerful, and built for enthusiasts who crave the perfect blend of performance and precision. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.